First day with no gifts from Charlotte. Darlings, how can we do that? But all of the drawers are empty. It was only for 12 days. But we are going on with the 3 other ones. I have also been testing out makeup from Estée Lauder. Mostly from Estée Lauder, I would say. And most of it is coming from this fantastic little gift set, and there will be a separate video with that, but kind of fun. I just wanted you to see. When I was looking for Estée Lauder Double Wear foundation, I happened to find this one. It's an eyeshadow palette from Estée Lauder, and I'm not sure how old it is, but it looks okay. So do you have old makeup like this laying around? Let me know in the comments. Your comments will make sure that you are part of the giveaways that I'm having. Let's start with the first drawer. It's from Harrods as usual, and it's number 13. We have a face mask. So this is from 111 Skin, Harley Street, London. Dr. Y. Alexandrides from London. I like a facial mask. I never tried this one before. Oh, it's a Cryo depuffing facial mask. It reduces sign of puffiness to improve skin firmness. A cooling hydrogel base leaves skin feeling invigorated and refreshed. It encourages a toned, refined appearance of the skin. Leave on for 20 minutes. I'm looking forward to trying that. Or maybe you would like to try it. Remember to comment below. We are having giveaways, at least 3 more actually. Yeah, before Christmas. Number 13 from Cult Beauty. What is this? Oh, one of my favorite brands. So this is from Paula's Choice. This is a barrier repair advanced moisturizer with 3 peptide hive plus ceramides. I actually expecting a package from Paula's Choice as a gift from them. SpaceNK number 13. What can this be? And so it's actually 2 things in here. So the first one is from DYSON. Chitosan from DYSON. It's a post-style serum. Holds and hydrates. I didn't know DYSON had actually hair products. So this is 30 milliliters or 1.01 fluid ounces. And also Paula's Choice is 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. Then let's see what this extra gift is. This is from Fiona Franchimon, number 1 hairpin. So it's a hairpin. So another good day. So that was all for today. Remember to comment below what you think. What was your favorite product today? So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.